Hey there, struggling to clean under your bed or those tight, hard-to-reach spaces? I've got you covered with the top 5 under-bed vacuum cleaners from Amazon that are compact, powerful, and perfect for all those tricky spots. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the Shark Rocket Ultralight HV301. This little beast is super lightweight and designed to maneuver around furniture with ease. The swivel steering and low-profile design make it perfect for cleaning under beds. And get this, it even converts into a handheld vacuum for extra versatility. Definitely a game changer. Link next is the Shark Rocket DeluxePro HV322. This model kicks it up a notch with LED headlights to spot hidden debris and extra power for deep carpet cleaning. Its slim design and advanced swivel steering let you glide under low furniture effortlessly. You'll never miss a spot again. Link third, we have the Bissell Zing Canister 2156A. With its compact canister and long hose, it's fantastic for reaching under beds and couches. The bagless design and powerful suction make cleaning quick and easy. Plus, no more worrying about replacing bags. Link. At number 4 is the FEPPO Handheld Mattress Vacuum. Don't let its size fool you. This cleaner uses ultrasonic technology to remove dust and allergens. It's ideal for underbed surfaces, mattresses, and upholstery. Plus, it's super easy to store. A must-have for allergy sufferers. Link. And finally, the Eureka Whirlwind Canister Vacuum NEN 110A. Lightweight and bagless, this vacuum features a telescoping wand and smooth glide wheels, making it simple to clean tight spaces like underbeds or sofas. Say goodbye to dust bunnies. Link. Whether you're looking for ultra-light, handheld, or canister-style vacuums, these 5 picks make cleaning under your bed a breeze. Check out the links in the description to grab yours today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart product reviews. Thanks for watching.